Looking for a theme park in the Netherlands that combines family-friendly fun with just the right amount of thrill? Let me introduce you to Hellendoorn Adventure Park, a lesser-known gem nestled in the forests of eastern Holland. It may not be as famous as some of the bigger parks, but don't let that fool you. This park is packed with over 30 attractions and offers something for everyone, from tiny toddlers to die-hard thrill seekers. One of the standout rides here is a looping roller coaster called the Flying Flame. It's not the tallest coaster you'll ever ride, but it packs a punch with fast turns and a thrilling loop that gets your heart racing. Another favorite is the Sewer Rat, an indoor coaster that takes you through dark, twisting tunnels. It's fast, it's unpredictable, and it's a lot of fun. If you're visiting in the warmer months, the park's water rides are a must. The River Rapids ride is a crowd pleaser, sending riders spinning through swirling currents with the occasional splash or total soak. The log flume offers 2 big drops and plenty of water, making it a refreshing break on a sunny day.
And if that's not enough water action, there's an entire slide park inside the main park, complete with 11 colorful slides that range from tame to totally wild. It's an extra ticket, but for water slide fans, it's worth it.
For younger kids, there's a special area filled with gentle rides, mini coasters, and safe play zones. Parents will appreciate how easy the park is to get around. It's compact and walkable, meaning you won't spend your day trekking from one end to the other. You can actually see and do everything without feeling rushed. Live entertainment is another highlight, especially during the summer season. From high-diving stunt shows to pirate-themed performances, there's always something going on to keep the energy up and the kids entertained.
And of course, no theme park day is complete without food. Hellendoorn offers plenty of snack stands and casual eateries, serving up fries, burgers, ice cream, and Dutch treats to keep you fueled for the fun.
What really sets this park apart is the atmosphere. It's friendly, relaxed, and just the right size to enjoy at your own pace. Whether you're a local or a tourist exploring the Netherlands, Hellendoorn Adventure Park is a fantastic day trip that delivers laughs, thrills, and memories without the massive crowds or long lines of the bigger theme parks. So if you're looking for a place where fun comes in all shapes and sizes, and where the whole family can find something to love, add Hellendoorn Adventure Park to your list.
Do you want to see more quick reviews of theme parks? Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.